Hello and welcome. You're watching Town Post. Your voice, your news. This is Sai B. Setti. Here are the top stories that make the headlines today. Former Jharkhand Chief Minister Champai Soren was admitted to Tata Main Hospital in Jamshedpur late Thursday night after experiencing certain health complications. According to doctors, his condition is stable and there is no cause for concern. Champai Soren said he is feeling much better and expects to make a full recovery before returning to public life soon. A fire broke out late Thursday night at the modular operation theatre of Ramgarh Sadar Hospital in Jharkhand after an air conditioner exploded outside the OT. Thick smoke spread across the operation theatre and labor room, triggering panic among patients and staff. Hospital personnel, doctor, and local volunteers acted swiftly to evacuate all patients, including newborn babies, to safe wards. Firefighters later brought the blaze under control and no casualties were reported. Officials suspect a technical fault or short circuit as the likely cause, while an investigation is underway. An elephant popularly known as Ramlal caused panic in Jharkhand's Chakulia area of Jamshedpur on Thursday evening after wandering onto the service road along the left canal of the Chandal Dam in search of food and water. The elephant spent nearly an hour feeding on the pulp of date palm trunks, blocking traffic on the road. During the incident, it pushed a bamboo-laden tractor and a Hiva truck, although no injuries were reported. The Forest Department's quick response team reached the spot and safely guided the elephant back towards the forest. An STF Jawan lost his life in a tragic accidental firing in Bihar's Jehanabad district on Thursday evening. The incident took place near Chiri More under Ghosi police station limits when a bullet allegedly discharged from the Jawan's service pistol kept at his waist, fatally injuring him. Fellow personnel rushed him to Ghosi Primary Health Care Center, where doctors declared him dead. Police have launched an investigation to determine how the service weapon discharged unexpectedly. Union Minister Rajiv Ranjan Singh, popularly known as Lalan Singh, offered prayers at the Baba Baidyanath temple in Deoghar on Friday morning after arriving in the city the previous night. Following Vedic rituals and Jal Abhishek at the Jyotirlinga shrine, the minister prayed for peace, prosperity and happiness across the country. He also sought divine blessings for the successful realization of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of a Viksit Bharat 2047. After the puja, Lalan Singh departed for the Basukinath temple under tight security. Panic spread in Jamshedpur's Parsudi area after the body of an unidentified man was found floating in Avinash Talab at Haludbani Paratola on Friday morning. The body was spotted by local women who had gone to the pond for their morning bath, prompting them to alert nearby residents and the police. Officers recovered the body and sent it for the post-mortem examination. Police suspect the body had been in the water for 2 or 3 days and are working to establish the victim's identity and determine the exact cause of death. Dhanbad police have solved a sensational murder case in Barora, revealing that a man allegedly plotted the murder of his own father to obtain a compassionate appointment in BCCL. Acting on the investigation, police arrested 3 accused and recovered crucial evidence linked to the crime. Officials said the investigation uncovered the alleged conspiracy and further legal proceedings are underway. Dhanbad police have arrested Rizwan Siddiqui, an alleged associate of absconding gangster Prince Khan, with 2 country-made pistols and 33 live cartridges. Acting on a tip-off, a special police team apprehended the accused before he could allegedly execute a firing attack on a railway contractor as a part of an extortion plot. Police have recovered a mobile phone and have launched further investigations to identify other members of the gang involved in the conspiracy. 2 teenagers are missing after 5 friends were swept away by the strong current of the Ganga River while bathing at the post office ghat in Bihar's Bar subdivision. The group, all residents of the Malik community near Bar police station, had gone to the river for an evening swim when the incident occurred. 3 boys were rescued, 1 by local residents and 2 managed to swim back to safety. While search operations are underway to trace the 2 missing youths, identified as Vikas and Rohit, police and divers are continuing the rescue operation. Speaking in Ranchi, BJP spokesperson Pratul Sahadeo launched a sharp attack on the opposition over what he described as Sana Malik's Pakistan Prem, while also reacting to Sharad Pawar's remarks amid speculation about MPs being in touch with a rival camp. Sardio further backed the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code in West Bengal and criticized Congress leader Hussain Dalwai's recent statement saying the BJP remains committed to nationalism and constitutional values. That's all for today. For more such updates and to keep your mind bothered, do follow Town Post on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, X Twitter, and YouTube. This is Sai B. Setti. You're watching Town Post.